My name is ASP Abdullahi Usaini, serving at Kano State Police Command. It's a great opportunity for me to be part of the participant of this uh, well, highly rich program on digital right. As you can see, now the world has become digital. Police alone cannot provide the desired security because security is a collective responsibility that requires the involvement of every individual within the society to achieve the desired goal. We, the police, we cannot provide adequate or effective security or the required security without having trust and confidence of the public. How can we gain that confidence? Is by respecting their rights. When we respect their right and they are convinced that we are respecting their right, they are going to trust us and we are going to achieve the desired goal, which is the peace and security. I want to congratulate myself and my other colleagues for being part of this wonderful program. Thank you.